Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother MFC-J4345DWXL printer step by step, from unboxing to wireless setup, print quality check, alignment, and software installation. Make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Inside the box, you should find the Brother printer, starter ink cartridges, power cord, quick setup guide. Remove all protective tapes and plastic film from the printer. Save the box and packing materials in case you need to transport the printer later. Step 2. Now let's load paper into the tray. Pull the paper tray completely out of the printer. Fan the paper stack well. Load plain letter-size paper into the tray. Adjust the paper guides so they fit snugly against the paper. Slowly push the paper tray back into the printer. Pull out the paper support and unfold the flap so printed pages don't fall. Step 3. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Plug it into a wall outlet. Turn the printer on. You can adjust the control panel angle for easier viewing. Step 4. Now we will install the ink cartridges. Open the ink cartridge cover. Take out the black ink cartridge. Shake the black cartridge horizontally 15 times before installing. Insert the cartridge into the correct color slot. Repeat for the remaining color cartridges. Close the ink cartridge cover. The first time you install ink, the printer will use extra ink to fill the ink system. This is normal and only happens once. The printer will now prepare the ink system. Step 5. Follow the on-screen LCD instructions. Select your language if prompted. Set the current date, set the current time. After setting the date and time, you may be asked about firmware update notifications. You can enable them or skip them based on your preference. Step 6. The printer will now print a print quality check sheet. Examine the 4 color blocks. If all blocks look clear and complete, press OK. If any lines are missing, follow the cleaning instructions on the screen. Step 7. To ensure perfect print quality, press Start to print the alignment sheet. Place the sheet face down on the scanner glass. Make sure the black circle mark is in the upper left corner. Close the scanner lid. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete alignment. Once finished, remove the sheet. Step 8. If you plan to use fax, lift the scanner cover. Connect the telephone line cord to the port labeled Line. Guide the cable through the back. Close the scanner cover. If you are not using fax, you can skip this step. Step 9. If using fax, press Settings, select Fax, select Setup Receive, select Receive Mode, choose your preferred mode. Step 10. To print your name and fax number on outgoing faxes, press Settings, select Initial Setup, select Station ID, enter your fax number, enter your name. Press OK. If you are not using fax, skip this step. Step 11. Now, let's connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Press the wireless button on the printer panel. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. When Enable WLAN appears, select Yes. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Press OK. When successful, the screen will display Connected. Step 12. On your computer, go to setup.brother.com. Download the printer driver and software. Run the installer, follow on-screen instructions. Make sure your computer and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can also connect using a USB cable or Ethernet cable if applicable. Once completed, you'll see Setup Finished. Your printer is now ready to print and scan. For security, the default admin password is located on the back of the printer labeled PWD. We strongly recommend changing this password immediately to protect your printer from unauthorized access. And that's it! Your Brother MFC-J4345DWXL printer is now fully set up and ready to use. If you face any issues during setup, don't worry. Contact Printer Support. Our support team is available to help you with fast and reliable assistance. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.